Happy Thanksgiving!
First Thanksgiving together. Are we saying that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah.
First time we've ever done Thanksgiving together. And let me tell you, the dinner experience is gonna be different for me, mostly.
Why?
We're having some things that I've never traditionally had on Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah.
So
me too, though.
Yeah, but I said it's different for both of us, but mostly me. Most people that know me know I'm a pretty picky eater. I'd say we're on like the same wavelength in everything in life except
food.
Except for food.
Yeah.
So since it's our first Thanksgiving, I'm gonna have my first collard green experience. We're having mac and cheese, which is, you know, arguably, mac and cheese is arguably not a Thanksgiving dish.
That is absolutely, you're gonna get canceled if you say that.
So here's the deal, we're doing some different things today. We're of course gonna have stuffing, and the only proper stuffing to have on Thanksgiving
is from scratch. Jamie likes that.
Is this guy. Like, you just can't go wrong. Sorry, not sorry. So we covered collard greens. We're gonna have some mac and cheese. You can see it over there, side by side beauty right there. What else we got? Of course we got rolls. Gotta have carbs. We're doing, you got a ham in the oven right now. And because I've never been in charge of making Thanksgiving dinner. I know you said you've done it before.
I usually do ham and lamb.
Ham and lamb, what a combo. Well, I'm doing something I've never done for Thanksgiving before, but absolutely love. We're gonna make a prime rib. Hopefully it comes out amazing. Never done it in this oven. If anybody is looking for the ultimate way to go about making a prime rib, Chef John's Perfect Prime Rib, put a link in the comment.
Bio.
Link in the
or
bio.
The description.
Link in the bio. See, I'm new to this.
Me too. I'm like, wait, what's it called?
Well,
but wait, show them your prime rib. The prep.
Yeah.
It looks, he's done a really good job, like, so far. We'll see how it turns out.
It probably took me 5 times as long to prep this thing than what the actual instructions say. All right, so position this a little bit better. All right, so that's the prime rib. It's prepped, it's ready to go. The only thing it still needs is some salt. We're gonna put a lot of that on there because I'll probably get cussed out if I don't. But yeah, Chef John's Perfect Prime Rib. Made it a few years ago. Haven't looked back since. It's just an incredible prime rib. John is she says this isn't her best work. She's not that proud of this. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious, even though I'm not a ham guy, but.
Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have some ham.
Okay.
I mean, it looks pretty, but I mean, that's kind of like the deal when you go to the store and you buy it already cooked.
I made it from scratch. I slaughtered the pig myself.
Yeah. Thanksgiving isn't Thanksgiving without mashed potatoes, and I love to make mashed potatoes.
You know, that's like a your family thing. I've never had mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving.
That is the most absurd thing I've ever heard. You've never had mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving.
Stuffing. We have sometimes like scallion potatoes, like the yellow ones, or how do you say it? The cheesy, whatever. You know? Sometimes we have that.
This is why Thanksgiving's like my favorite holiday. You don't have to buy any gifts, and you get stuffing and mashed potatoes in the same meal. What could go wrong?
I normally wouldn't do mashed potatoes, but I'm not complaining about mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. And your mashed potatoes are
I set up the mashed potatoes out here.
amazing.
Mashed potatoes. Thank you, babe. That was so kind of you. Mashed potatoes are set up out here because that's going to be like, once I put the prime rib in, I don't really have to think about it too much. But you know we got to have the football on. So the potatoes are by the football. Most of the prep is done. Now we just got to take our nap and get ready to eat dinner. So we'll be back.
All right, guys. Here goes nothing. Jamie's about to put the, you don't need that, yeah, the prime rib in the oven.
This is an epic moment.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because I don't get the concept of like how you're gonna put it in there for 20 minutes and then turn off the oven.
Here's what you do. You go to our bio, you click the link, and you learn all about it.
You don't want
Chef
to tell?
John's Perfect Prime Rib.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
My arm hurts. Oh my gosh.
There it goes.
You gonna tell Alexa or you gonna?
24 minutes.
And then it sits for 2 hours.
2 hours.
Hungry.
It's gonna be the best prime rib you've ever had. I hope. Alright.
2 hours later.
Alright, it's been a long couple of hours. But we got a beautiful prime rib here. She's ready to go. I can't wait to see the inside though. That's all that matters really.
Are you nervous?
Nah, maybe a little bit.
Yeah, we're done cooking. And it's time to eat. It's been a fun day with you cooking together.
It's been a good day.
Yeah, your prime rib turned out. Well, I haven't tried it. It looks amazing. Okay.
We're gonna see.
This
might
is
be a
dinner.
little bit salty, but
So we got rolls, the prime rib. I can't wait to try it. Jamie's mashed potatoes.
and they're the best. They're my best work yet. Absolute best potatoes I've ever made. I'm so excited.
Got some stuffing, collard greens,
It's gonna be the first time for me.
mac and cheese, ham.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Ow. Eat up. Oh. And these are my Thanksgiving plates. So cute. And napkins. Pulled them out of storage.
Dishes are bad, especially when
You don't
all
have a
this
working
cooking-
dishwasher.
Dishwasher hasn't worked in 2 weeks.
This
Place got to get their stuff together.
what's wrong with you?
She smells the bone.
I feel like she
Well, she
really
smells it all, but
yeah,
she
she's
smells-
losing her
she's gonna
mind.
eat that bone.
All right, we're gonna eat. Peace. Is it morning? No, it's 4 p.m.
Definitely 4 p.m.
A happy day after Thanksgiving.
It's Black Friday.
It's Black Friday, and we're gonna go shopping. Costco, the mall.
See what we see.
Yeah, we need to find a coffee table. So that's on the list of things. Well, no, actually, we already have that online. But we're gonna go shopping for other things for other people. We'll see if it's chaotic. I doubt it. Black Friday isn't like a big thing anymore. I imagine at Costco though.
Costco's gonna be lit either way.
You think?
As always.
Okay, well.
Also, just one additional thing. Really going out on a limb here and letting Keyshauna drive.
Oh my God.
She doesn't normally do the drive.
I normally don't drive. So the first time you see us drive. Actually, they saw in the other vlog. You drove.
I drove.
You don't have to put that out there.
I
It's
don't
okay. Anyway, I'm driving. It'll be fun. All right, see you guys at Costco.
The next day.
Alright, today we're going Black Friday shopping even though it's Black Saturday.
Yeah, yesterday was a fail, which
We
we didn't
drove
show you.
all the way here, got stuck in the most chaotic traffic ever, and it was an absolute fail. So we decided to
back.
turn around, and now we're here on Saturday morning. But
Same deals.
Seems like most of the deals will still be a thing.
Yeah.
We wore our rivalry hats so that we can see if we get some more borderline inappropriate comments our way.
We're gonna try and find a gift for my mom. I think I said it yesterday. I got a gift for my cousin yesterday at Costco. Yeah, that's it. We'll see what we can find. Bye. Checking out your favorite shoes, of course. Hey dudes.
I don't really like any of these.
Should get the all black ones.
Should I?
No. I know you don't like those.
I'd wear them for you.
I like these.
Alright, but I already got white ones.
Those are like off-white. More dressy. So no?
It's gonna be a pass today. Pass on these ones. Alright. Ready?
Yeah, what?
So we've hit a few stores now. We did a little Nike, some Puma.
Got bras.
Is there anything else?
We're about to go into Pink, your favorite store.
Favorite store, yep. We've been here for maybe an hour and we just got our first comment from the guy at the Puma store, but he was hilarious. He just came over and was like, how does this work? So yeah, we had a very interesting conversation with him.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go do some more shopping. We'll be back.
He likes this one but can't find his size. We're making a dent here. Choices are being made. Oh! This is all Jamie right here.
Too bad we
Bright and bold.
couldn't make it yesterday. There would have been way more shirts here for me to choose from.
You're not finding your size?
I mean, I can get that one, but...
The line's already long today. Imagine the line yesterday. Oh, a green one. I know you like that.
I actually don't.
Really?
At all. Here we go. Plenty of these. Pretty much wrapped up for the day.
Yeah.
Got, I mean, we didn't do too bad.
All the bags.
Like 5 bags.
Yeah.
Just so happy we parked next to Cabela's and...
Who? Bass Pro Shop.
Oh yeah. Just so happy we parked next to Bass Pro Shop, and turns out I've never actually been in one my entire life. Like 30 plus years, no Cabela's, no Bass Pro Shop, no big outdoor experience. So Shauna really was excited to take me around the store. And we started right here with the animals.
The moose. I wonder if they were all actually alive at one point, or they're like fake.
I guess they're fake.
Really?
I'm gonna guess. We pretty much wrapped it up. We're gonna get some food, some beer. We are not the couple that sits next to each other in the booth. I just came over here for this part.
We're at Yard House, by the way.
And Yard House is killing it so far. Our beers came in less than 5 minutes. Food came in less than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Just
And
on
I'm
point right now.
starving, so I'm really happy about that. Yeah.
I guess we can dig in now.
Yeah.
We got here chicken sticks.
Why do we have chopsticks?
It's not chopsticks.
We got the wings. You gonna try some?
Yeah, I'll take a lemon pepper.
Jamie does not like bone in wings. He'll have some, just prefers it without the bone. So.
Quit talking smack about me on camera.
I'm just saying. No, I'm stating facts. Oh, I got Blue Moon. And Jamie, what'd you get?
The Crooked Crab Haze for Days.
Nice.
More spines. I'm gonna add a whole bunch of anxiety to Keishana's plate. And we're gonna record while she drives out of this madhouse.
Oh my God! What are you doing? I wasn't being nice, dirtbag. I would have said something much ruder. It was being recorded.
We had an absolutely wonderful lunch.
Yeah. Oh,
The
wait, hold on.
service was top notch.
I want to get copyrighted.
Oh damn.
Yeah. But if you look white as snow,
That's because the sun's on me.
Yeah,
what do you want from me?
angle.
It's still,
There you go.
It's still.
But that's better. Or
It's
do this
still-
and then lower it.
Nope, it's not
Trying
much
to
better.
make my editing like.
It doesn't go lower.
What the?
You didn't even know it did that? That's so crazy.
All right, I'll hold it. Or no, you hold it. That is so much better. No,
What
you're
are
so
you talking? The sun
white.
is on my face. As long as that sun is in my eye,
Oh my God.
there's nothing that can be done here.
Caucasian problems.
So anyway, this I think concludes, unless, wait, hold on. This concludes our Thanksgiving weekend unless we find ourselves at Maryland Live tonight.
What?
I'm just, maybe, it's possible.
Oh my God.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
Oh, thank you, Acura. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna conclude a very wonderful Thanksgiving weekend here.
That was fun.
Our first Thanksgiving together. Loved every minute of it, and I think more than anything, we're thankful for each other,
Yeah.
and we're thankful for you guys for watching.
Yeah.